Question 15 Part A. Write 0.0037 in standard form. So in standard form, the first number must be between 1 and 10. So in this case it's going to be 3.7 times 10 to the power of something. And it's going to be minus 3 in this case. So 3.7 times 10 to the minus 3 is equal, the same as 0.0037. But this one is in standard form. Okay, and that's worth 1 mark and has to be exactly like this. Part B. Write 4.9 times 10 to the 4 as an ordinary number. So 4.9 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 is going to be times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. It's going to be 49,000 written as an ordinary number. 49,000. So 4.9 times 10 to the 4 is written in standard form, and as an ordinary number is 49,000. And that's worth 1 mark, and 49,000 is the correct answer for that. Okay. Now part C says work out the value of 500 divided by 250 times 10 to the power of 3. Give your answer in standard form. So if you type that into your calculator correctly, 500 divided by 250 times 10 to the power of 3 is going to be 2 times 10 to the minus 3. Now you have to be very careful when you type this into your calculator. Okay, if you just type 500 divided by 250 times 10 to the power of 3, your calculator would do 500 divided by 250, then times it by 10 to the power of 3. You want 500 divided by this number here on the bottom. Okay, so you have to put 500 divided by, open bracket, 250 times 10 to the power of 3. That way, it will do this bit first. Okay, the brackets first, 250 times 10 to the power of 3, and it will be 500 divided by that. Okay, and the answer in standard form is going to be 2 times 10 to the minus 3. And that gave it to me straight away. The calculator gave it to me in standard form straight away. But some calculators may not. So it may give you 0.002, and that's the answer as an ordinary number, and it says give your answer in standard form. So you need to convert this 0.02 into standard form, which is 2 times 10 to the minus 3. And that's it for part C. Okay, so this is worth 2 marks. It says 1 mark for attempting to divide using 2 numbers that are consistent in consistent form. So we've done that here. And also for converting an ordinary number into standard form. And the second mark is for a final answer of 2 times 10 to the minus 3, which we have here. And that's it for question 15, part A, B, and C.